In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly merge cells in two distinct ways using Google Sheets. Whether you're working on a personal project or a professional report, understanding how to merge cells can be a powerful tool in your arsenal, helping to tidy up your spreadsheet and give your data an organized look. So let's dive in and explore these methods. We'll start with the first method, which utilizes the right-click context menu. To begin, you'll want to highlight the specific cells you wish to merge. This step is as simple as clicking and dragging your mouse over the cells you have in mind. It's important to ensure that you're selecting only the cells you intend to merge, as this action will combine their data into a single cell. Once you've highlighted the desired cells, move on to the next step, right-clicking. When you click the right mouse button over the highlighted area, a context menu will appear. In this menu, look for the option that says Merge Cells. Clicking on this will instantly merge the selected cells into one, simplifying your data and making it easier to read at a glance. This method is quick, intuitive, and straightforward, making it a great choice for those who appreciate efficiency. Now let's shift gears and explore the second method, which involves using the Format menu. As in the first method, you'll begin by highlighting the cells you intend to merge. Once you've selected these cells, turn your attention to the top menu bar and locate the option labeled Format. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with various formatting tools. Within the Format drop-down menu, you'll want to hover over the word Table. As you do this, a submenu will appear, presenting additional options tailored specifically to table formatting tasks. In this submenu, you will find the Merge Cells option. Clicking on it will merge your selected cells, just like in the first method. Each method has its own advantages. The right-click context menu is perfect for quick access and efficiency, especially when you're executing repetitive tasks and need to make changes on the fly. On the other hand, using the Format menu offers a more structured approach, providing a cohesive space where you can explore additional formatting options that can enhance your data presentation. By mastering these two methods, you can choose the best fit for the task at hand, streamlining your data presentation with elegance and simplicity. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and experiment within your own Google Sheets environment. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips and tricks to enhance your productivity.